How to transfer data Android to iPhone? So let's see. First, connects both phones with same Wi-Fi. Like I'm connect my phones with same Wi-Fi. Then open browser like Safari browser from iPhone and Chrome browser from Android phone. Then search PairDrop.net from Chrome browser and also search PairDrop.net on iPhone browser. Then just tap and send. Here you can see name also show, just tap and send and select from my gallery, select image and send. Here you can see just accept and download this. As you can see data transfer successfully. You can also see from downloads, just open download. Then here you can see our downloads. You can also save from your phone, just share option, then save this. So in this way you can share data